Mojito! Hi guys, we're back with Federico. We are in a town called Casola.
Casola.
Casola is quite cute, actually. There's restaurants and there's
coffee.
Yeah, and there's a bar and there's groceries not far.
Bank.
It's actually, so there are two houses. One is the main house. The dog is not included, and one is a guest house. They look like they've been renovated, and there's a garage.
Garage è possibile.
E questo qua non è garage, questo?
Possibile garage.
Well, ora
Ora è una cantina.
yeah, perché dove parcheggiato?
Si può entrare qui nella proprietà.
Oh,
Ma
okay.
poi problemi di parcheggio non ne abbiamo. Parking.
You have no problem parking. We had a hard time parking, but there is, he said there's a little road that goes down that you can park on the property, so that's fine. It's just a very, very narrow road, just keep that in mind. You're also like very close to your neighbors here, not in a Borgo setting, sort of. So in other words, it's not like this charming, cute little setting. It's sort of like, almost feels like an alleyway here. But let's go look at these houses. I mean, so far I'm like, quanto costa questo?
250,000
For both.
total.
Questa?
Tutto.
Tutto. And this dog e questa cane, it's like,
Ora perché non ci conosce.
I mean, one of my rules is barking dogs are a little bit nerve-wracking. So, you know, I would come a few times to this house if you liked it. I wouldn't just buy it. I mean, some of you people are coming and just buying houses. You need to come and spend time here. You can't just buy a house here. You know, I love you guys to death. Stop with this. I love you guys to death. Please come here in the winter. Come here in the fall. Come here in the spring. See what it's like here. I mean, you're moving to a foreign country. You're buying property for a lot of money in a foreign country. So this was my TED Talk, my lecture. It's not like America. It's not going anywhere. As we say in Italy, piano piano.
Piano piano.
Have patience. Italy taught me patience. Thank you very much for your attention. Let's go in this house. This is a very, very Italian house. Molto italiano questa
Molto
casa.
italiano.
High ceiling, nice size. If you like this kind of style, perfect. You can just move in. I mean, this is very cute and authentic looking. I mean, I have a feeling they bought, like it was a suite, you know, that you buy at a store. They're like, oh, we need that, we need this. It's probably a great size for a vacation house. It's laid out very much like an Italian house. That would drive me crazy. Little kitchen. Yeah, this is a very typical Italian vacation house. Totally. I've been to a million of them to visit friends. It's, you know, obviously laid out in a very cute Italian way. It's cute. It's very cute. I mean, it's very 70s maybe. But it was a stone house that they renovated, so they put some money into it. To me, it's kind of like an alpine, has an alpine feeling to it, so a weekend house. So I mean, if this is your style, you're on the road, you look at a cemetery, which is always a little depressing. I don't really know what to say about this view. I mean, it's a typical view. I mean, you know, if you look at a little school over there, I don't know. Very, you know, cute Italian weekend house. If this is your style, this is for you. I mean, this is not my style, but some people like this though. You know, I've shown people houses lately with Federico and I thought they would love them, and then they, you know, like a white box. So I don't know. I mean, I like a little patina with my...
So this is great if you're Canadian.
Very harsh. Yeah.
Personalizzarla bisogna.
Well, it's just a weekend house. It's a weekend house. It's not a,
Yes.
you know. I don't know that this is a forever house. I mean, if this had a view, it would sell me more, but it actually doesn't have a view. This is just. Do
you want to talk about the washing machine in the bathroom, maybe?
Sure. So a lot of Italians put the washing machine either in the kitchen or in the bathroom. This one might be a washer and a dryer. They have the combo platter here. I mean, if this is your jam, I mean, I do have very specific tastes. I like things that are charming, and this to me has zero charm. I'm sorry. Sorry, Federico.
Qui si può andare alle terme vicino, 10-15 minuti. Si può andare al river, al fiume.
Yeah.
A piedi saranno 10 minuti. Mm-hmm. E comunque Casola, il borgo tipico medievale.
Okay. Yeah, sell it to me because right now I'm just like.
Il buono è che c'è la casa di fronte che si può affittare, ideale, e a 3 minuti di macchina c'è il treno. Questo
Okay.
può essere carino.
So it's close to the train.
Piccolo treno.
A little train. I don't know what that means.
Sì.
It's a little child's train. I mean, what?
Magari va a Lucca.
Boop.
Esatto.
Well, show me.
Nel
Sell it.
giardino.
Yeah, you have to sell it to me. Let's go. I mean, because I'm so far not sold.
Le onde del tempo parlano qui, dai castelli antichi al bosco così. Una finestra apre nuovi destini, la mia polvere d'oro tra i cammini. Oh, Lunigiana, your beauty's divine, stone walls of love where the olive trees shine.
Okay, we're gonna go see house number 2. Maybe that's the one you buy one, and it's very affordable. He's right, it is near a lot of really great things, and it really is in a really cute town. I mean, and you are convenient to things. What's the deal, buddy? Talk to me. Okay. Downstairs again. And I like that it's wet, so you could just you're just dead in the street. I'm sorry to be negative, but I personally would buy that for like 15,000 euro and redo it and make it cute. And don't even worry about the view. It's like, because the view of the road or no view, I mean, this is a better view actually because you're not seeing the road, you're seeing the mountain, Think about these things when you go through, think about the view, think about the conveniences, think about, do you want to change the way it looks? How much that will cost? I feel like it's a really shame to go into a house like this that's sort of done and then rip it apart. Although, well, I really don't because I would rip it apart. And this guy, I mean, forget about this guy. He's cute though, or she's cute. You're cute. Uh-oh, he's going in. Yay. He's over it. He knows that we're not going to do anything. Questa vista non va bene.
Non è l'ideale.
No, non è ideale. Ooh, it's the first time I've heard him say something negative. He's like not an ideal view.
Però è carino per affittare.
Oh yeah.
Una cosa
Wow.
simpatica. Chiamalo.
How do you get up there? Is there that little door? What's up there?
Qui c'è la scala. Upstairs.
There's no kitchen here. Dove è la cucina?
La cucina è di là.
So no cucina here.
No cucina.
You lied to me. A cucina?
Sì, cucinotto.
So this is just a guest room. That's it. It's got a very tiny bathroom. So here's what I don't understand, this design. So what I don't get is there's this tiny hallway here, which is space actually. And then there's this tiny bathroom here. So why wouldn't you just push, why wouldn't you use the entire space for the bathroom? There's a dead space here. Bad design. Yeah, I don't know. This is not a winner for me. The other thing is, they don't stage anything. Couldn't you? Why is this a bed? We just say it's a sofa bed. If they closed it, it would look bigger in here. It's just like they don't. It's time for a cocktail. That mint. I'm gonna go get mint and make a mojito.
Under the Tuscan sun, we wander and gaze through ancient hills in a golden haze. Lunigiana calls with her whispering view, her secrets of stone waiting for you. Oh, Lunigiana, where dreams take flight, rolling vineyards bathed in moonlight.
Okay, guys. All right, so this was a okay house. Let's just say that. But my message here is to really look around and look at everything. I looked with Federico for, I think, 2.5 years when I looked for my house. We looked at everything. And I think it's really important. And I think this video mostly for me is about really, taking your time and really looking at everything. This house, alley, dog, these are all things that you should be thinking about when you're looking for houses. Don't get carried away. One of the best pieces of advice one of my girlfriends gave me was to take pictures of things I didn't like in the house rather than things I did like in the house, because you get very swept away when you're looking for homes. I'm really judging it for exactly what it is, not the romance of living in Italy. I'm a realist, so try really hard to be a realist. If you got this far in this video, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for listening to my TED Talk, and we'll see you at the next location. Ciao.